As far as full stack web development goes, there are a variety of programming languages out there, each with its own set of advantages. Let's talk about one of the language, Python. But why Python for web development? Perhaps the most important is its simple syntax, and also it is easy to learn, read and write. The code is a lot smaller, which provides more functionality with less coding. It also makes corrections and addition in the code later a lot easier. It is a general, high-level OOPS-based interpreted language that is used extensively across the world. Whether it's development or data science, Python is the #1 choice for developers and programmers. From tech giants like Google and Facebook to Amazon, Dropbox and Uber, Python is emerging as the most preferred language in the tech world. Since its inception in 1991, Python has been an extremely popular language for its versatility, dynamism, and a wider scope of applicability. Let's talk about web framework in Python now. There are multiple web frameworks in Python, and most popular frameworks are Django and Flask. Django is the most used and a popular framework that encourages rapid development and clean design. It also supports ORM model. Django is based on MVT architecture, where M stands for model, which is responsible to handle all the database related operations. V stands for view, and it is responsible to handle all business logic for application. T stands for template, and it is responsible to present data to end user as a web pages. Let's quickly move to the front-end technologies used in Python. There are following front-end technologies that are used to build a complete Python-based full-stack web application. HTML. This is the most basic and indispensable skill that every web developer should have. CSS, the style sheet that will control the behavior and style of the page and everything in it. JS, this is also a fundamental language required to be a full stack developer. React, it is one of the most sought after and in demand language from client-side framework. It is used extensively for writing web pages as well as mobile apps. So whether you are a newcomer looking to kickstart a career in web development or a software professional hoping to acquire full stack development capabilities to enhance your career opportunities, this is a perfect course for you. You think you have what it takes? Let us lead you to your dream job with top IT companies. Here we come at the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on our YouTube channel Ducat India. We'll be back with a new topic of your interest in our next video. Up till then, see you.